Hi everyone, today we are going to make a Christmas star. So all you need is some card, some square cards. So I've chosen some nice Christmas colours, reds and greens. I have chosen 3 pieces of card, but you can use 5, 7, as many as you want. So we need card. We need a star template. So you can go online and print out a 5-point star. You need scissors, you need some string to hang your star, pencil to draw around your template, some sellotape, stapler to put it all together, and some little brads. Brads are the little double-backed pins that you can use to put in the centre of your star just to hold your star together. So we will get started. So first of all, what we want to do is get a 5-point star. So if you go onto the internet, you will be able to print out a star, and instead of doing it on paper, I've just done it on like card or the back of a cereal packet. So take your star, cut it out, and then get your card and just draw around your star. So just take a wee bit of time and make sure that you get the point. Sometimes it's good just to go over it twice. Okay. And if I just hold it up, you can just see the star drawn on the card. So that's that one done. Here's another one done. And finally, we'll just do a third one. So we'll take another star. And again, just draw around your cardboard. The thicker your cardboard, the easier it's going to be. It means that you can just hold it in place and get a good line the whole way around it. Okay, so hopefully I've got another star. So I'm just going to go with 3 stars this time. So what we need to do now is just cut our stars. So let's try and do this super quick. So I'll just take our 5-point star. This card is 12 inches by 12 inches. And you can just get it somewhere like Poundland or The Works. They do giant pads of 12 by 12 paper packs. So, for example, I'll show you something like this. They're really easy. That one was only £1.50, so you can just do whatever colour of paper you want. You can just have rights. You can have pattern paper. This is a nice winter woodland one with like Christmas woodland images on it. So it doesn't really matter what you use, what colour. You can use patterned, you can use plain. You could use cardboard and colour it. You can use glitter cards, you can use metallic, just whatever you want to use. So okay, we have 1 star, so we'll put that there. Let's do another one. I've just gone for some Christmas colours, so we've gone green and red. This is the slow bit, just getting these cut out. You could always get somebody to help you with these, just to speed things up and just to get nice straight lines. Okay, 2 done. And we'll just do a 3rd one. And hold on to your wee bits of scraps, because they're always handy for another project or even for making some little stars. You can do these in small sizes as well. They don't have to be huge stars. I've just gone for giant stars so that we can hang them in a window and you can see them from outside. So Okay, so we have our 3 stars. So let's just pop those over here. Now, what we want to do is we want to layer these on top of each other. So what we're going to do is we're going to take not the outer point, but we're going to take the inner point and we're going to cut up maybe about 5 or so centimeters. So we're going to cut up there. I'm going to cut here. You can see how we're cutting in towards the middle. Okay, this one. So again, we take the same star and another star and we just cut like this. Just cut in about 5 centimeters. Okay, that's 2 done. And finally, sometimes if you cut only a couple of centimetres, there's not enough to fold it in. So make sure you get maybe about 5 centimetres, about the length of your little finger. You just count in that much if you're doing these big ones. So what we need to do now is we have our star, and I want you to take each point and just fold it into the middle, and fold this one into the middle, and just like that. And then we will get a stapler. So we take a stapler and just holding it in place. Okay. So we now have a little stapled point. So what I will do is I will just squish it around like that so it kind of makes it a wee bit round. Okay, so we have one point done. So we just do the same with all of these points. So we just fold it in, try and get a nice point at the end. And again, we just keep going. Just spin it round to get another one. So you can see it's starting to come together to form a nice 3D star. What you can sometimes do is just stuff wee bits of tissue or paper inside it, and then it just makes it a wee bit more 3D. And finally, this last one. Okay. So that's one star already done. So we'll do the same again with the green one. So again, we just fold the sides. If you haven't cut in far enough, you will struggle to be able to fold these over. So just make sure that you've cut right up towards the middle. This one I haven't really cut very well, so we'll just add a wee bit more on. It's fine to do that. So again. So we now have a second 3D star. So what we will do is we will layer it on top of the other one, and then we just need to do another one. So we'll put that there. Again, same thing. We just take our point and staple it. And last one, thankfully. I've only done 3 stars, but you can do as many as you want. In fact, the more layers you have, the more effective it is. So you can do as many as you can, really. Okay, so that's the third one. And if we just check that the corners are nice, that one's a wee bit uneven, so I'm just going to square that off a wee bit so it's more of a point. There we are. Now, we have 3 stars. So what we want to do now is to attach them all together. So I am using a little thing called a brad. So the brads are a little bit like drawing pins, except they've got two strands at the back. So we just try and open these without them all falling out of the box. Let's just cut them open. Again, you can get these in the Works or any craft store. So they're called brads. So I think we should go for a green one. So if you have a wee look, it's got a little pin and then it's got two little points there so that you can open it up and attach these together. So what we want to do is take the red one and actually put a little hole in the middle. So I'm going to try and do this without ripping it. So okay, so that's one in. And then what I might do is just take it out again and do the others right in the middle. So it can be a wee bit tricky because they're quite bendy. Right, that's that one done. And we'll just do the same in the middle of the other one. So you can see I've got little holes right in the middle. So all we need to do is take that one, put it there, take this one, and finally we just take the other one. It can be a wee bit tricky holding these together because they just want to bounce back. So what you can do now is just press it down on the table and use your nail just to prise those wee prongs apart. So you can see now that I've pulled that right back and just squish it in. And then if you flip it round, you can just, they can start off like that, or you can swivel them around just so you have a nice 3D star. Okay? And all you have to do now is, if you take some red string, and what I do is I will just tie it round the back of one of these. So just take it round the first one and just do a knot. And just do a second knot just to make sure that it doesn't fall apart. And snip it down. Hide the wee tail inside. And there we are. One Christmas star. So I think we shall just pop it here. And that's us. One Christmas star. And you can hang that in the window or by the fireplace or anywhere else. And you can add stickers or glitter or decorate it whichever way you want. So I like it just plain as it is. So that's one simple Christmas star.